So Model Y, to disassemble the door panel, you need to remove the T30 screws, one in here, and one in the back behind the reflector. So after you unscrew the 3 screws, you can take out the door panel here. So after you take out the door panel here, you need to remove the 2 screws in here and here. They are 10 millimeters. So after you unscrew it, you can take out the window. So after you remove the door panel and you remove the screws, you can now take out the window. Of course, it's better if you can take out the little rubber thing on the edge of the door, yeah, here, and also in the back of it, yeah. So then after that, you can remove the window here. So yeah, but in order to remove the window, you need to use some long flathead screwdriver or some pry tool to pry the black plastic thing here a little bit outward in order to take out the window. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to take out because it locks the window in place. So after you take out the window, you need to unscrew all the 8 millimeters screws in around the black cover, and there's only also two little hole here. Yeah, so there are 2 screws too. They are 10 millimeters. You need to remove them in order to take out the black panel. So yeah, we in here you can see the black plastic piece. We already take out the window, but yeah, here is the little thing that I talk about. You need to pry it outward a little bit in order to take out the window. Yeah, so this lock the window in place, so you need to pry it outward. Yeah, so here is a better picture after we take out the black cover. So yeah, so just try to pry it outward a little bit, so then the window can get out. Yeah. Yeah, so that's basically how you remove the black cover, and after that you can start doing the door lock replacement. So to remove the door lock, it's very easy. There's a T25 3 screws. You need to remove the OEM one, the screws, and then you can take out the whole door lock. After you take out the whole door lock, you can replace it with our soft close door. Yeah, you can refer to our Model 3 installation to know how to install it. And this here is where you run the power and ground wire too. Yeah, so you can run it directly toward the 12-volt battery. You can run it from here to the 12-volt battery, or run it behind below the seat on the back penthouse. The latch motor will put it in the bottom of the fetch OEM wire harness. So after you're done, you can put back everything. Um, and for the rear screws, you need to put the two washer in provided into the screws. Otherwise it will be too long and you will hit our handle case. Sometimes for some door, for some Model Y, the screw may be still too long after you put in 2 washers, so you might need to cut out the OEM screw a little bit. So this is the rear door. The rear door, the cable running, the power and ground might be a little bit challenging. This is how we do it. We do it from the side. We disconnect the connector first, and then we run the wire from the side of the connector. There's some room. Yeah, so after that you can run it into here. The rear door panel is the same. Here is a T30 screws, and here is another one. But there's no screws in the back from the back. Yeah. So you can take out here. It's very similar to the front door. You need to lower the window until you see the 2 screws. Yeah, so the 2 screw is the 2 big screw holes here. So you unscrew the screws here, and then you can take out the window. After that, you can yeah, remove this rubber cover as well. So after that, you need to remove all the 8 millimeters screws around the black cover in order to remove it. But one more thing, of course, here is the two little holes, same as the front door. You need to remove the two 10 millimeters screws in order to remove the whole black cover. So after that, everything is very similar to the front door. You just place the door lock, and also place the latch motor somewhere at the bottom. Yeah, just make sure after you put back the door, um, test the window. Yeah, test the window going down and make sure the latch motor doesn't block the window, and also the wire doesn't block the window, and that's basically it. Yeah.